Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to create purchase or expense credit note in VT software. So in VT software you can create credit note by two options. First one is normal, entering purchase credit note, and you can also create credit note from inside the bill. Okay, so for normal purpose we'll come into the transaction and we'll click on purchase credit note. We'll get this kind of display and is the shortcut key of that process. Okay, so you need to select the supplier, then after you need to enter the reference number, date, then supplier invoice number and all the things. I'm going to raise full amounts credit note. Okay, 1200. Then after I'll select the group and proper analysis account, that is nominal ledger. After entering into, click on save. Let me change the date. Okay, after entering detail, I'll click on save button. So you can see the credit note here. This is PCR 01. Once you click here, you will get this kind of display. From here you can edit the transaction, delete the transaction. Okay, now let me show you the suppliers account, supplier 002. Once you click here, you'll get this kind of display. This is purchase invoice and purchase credit note, so both are under the tab of open entries, and we need to allocate the credit note and bills against each other. Okay, so once you click here, it will remove from open entries tab. Okay, I have to just select the transactions and I'll just click on this button. So once you click here, it will remove from open entries tab, but still you can see the transaction from current year tab. Okay, now once you go into the current year, you can see the allocation mark. Okay, and if you want to remove the allocation, so you need to click on particular entry, then it will again come into the open entries tab. Let me show you. Now deallocate the transaction. Now you can see into the open entries tab. So this is the first method by which you can create and allocate the credit note against each other. Now let me show the second method. You need to just click on reference number of particular bill and you need to click on raise credit note. After entering date and details, you need to click on OK. As you can see, our credit note has been created. You can use this option in case of full credit note settlement. Now let me show you supplier account. As you can see here, PIN is a purchase invoice and PCR this is purchase credit. Okay, now let's allocate credit note against the particular bill. You need to click on this option. Let me click on this button and I'll click on this button. So you can see now credit note has been allocated against bill. So in this manner we can create and modify credit note. Thanks for watching.